gonna show you how to soften the skin in Photoshop in just 1 minute. So first of all, remove the blossom and then make a copy of background layer or the subject layer. Whatever there is by pressing Ctrl J and pressing Ctrl I to invert it. Now you can change the blend mode of this from normal to the hard light. Now once you change the blend mode, go to the filter, other, inside of other, there is high pass. Increase the value of the point where everything blends in. For this example, 1 is the great fit. Okay, you are satisfied. Again, go to the filter, blur, and then Gaussian blur. Increase the value to the point where skin texture starts showing up. For this example, this is great value. And then all you have to do, create a negative mask by holding Alt and Option. So click and clicking. Now you should take a brush. Just simply go ahead and make sure the foreground color is white. Now zoom in. Paint on the skin very nicely. Just make sure that you stay away from the edges. You draw this after and this before. If you think it is too much, you can always go ahead and increase the opacity. I will choose 17. That's fine, done. So that's how you do it. Okay, goodbye.